Hello, welcome to i3 Automations. I am Alex Castro, CEO of i3 Automations, and today you're gonna learn how can you install the Node-RED to start the communication with the PLC Siemens Rockwell Schneider to the cloud. So let's get started. Hello everyone, so let's continue here. Let's go to the Google and type Node.js download. So let's do download of this. Click on the first one, download node.js JavaScript. So click this and choose what. In my case, I'm going to install Windows because I have Windows on my computer. So let's do that. And after that, click next, accept terms, the license, next. Choose what the path you want to save. And after that, okay, click next and make sure that you have this signed and next and install. Okay, yes. And now gonna take a while to install this. Finish. Has installed. Now you need to type some comments that you're gonna see here with me. If you want to follow step by step, please stop the video, pause the video, and take the comment, take the exact comment that I'm doing right now here. Now it's installing. Okay, go to the command prompt, open the CMD. So, okay, let's go to the node -v. Okay, I'm gonna show you exactly the version that you have. Okay, and now type npm install like you can see here with me right now. Take a look and take your note down, write down, and you can see here the command to continue installing the Node-RED in your computer. Okay, npm install npm, okay, dash global. So when we start, gonna take a while again, and we're gonna see, let's see the next step. Okay, now let's continue. npm, another command, npm install -g unsafe -perm node and -red and start. This is gonna continue install the Node-RED in your computer right now. Now type Node-RED or node -red, and you're gonna open it up, the Node-RED in your computer. So now is open it up and hit allow access. Okay, you can see that is starting up. And the next step right now is, okay, allow access, and go to your web browser and type localhost 1880. Localhost 1880. So, and that's it. So let's get start. Let's do the first project, just to play a little bit. So Node-RED is an open source application, and you can take the node. They are the node, and let's see. Let's take the inject and open it up. Inject, and let's go to do something with string. And you can type, or you can say something, the phrase that you wanna do. After that, so you can take the debug and feed the debug with the inject. You need deploy first. Yeah, go to deploy the project, and now you are ready to start. So here we go. So this is the string phrase that I put it here, that I added. So this is the message payload that I took from the debug, and after that you need the deploy the project, and that's it. So this is the first project that I made, and the next step right now, we're gonna create a dashboard. So